meeting of Kharghar Toastmasters Club. That's incredible. It just feels like yesterday when we as a group, Toastmasters living in the vicinity of Kharghar, met to discuss the formation of our club. Sitting in an open space around a restaurant near Utsav Chowk, christening and then launching it, we had no doubt that this club is going to be a reality. Reminiscing back from the demo meeting to the pre-charter meetings, and finally chartering of Kharghar Toastmasters gives a sense of fulfillment. We have made a vibrant presence felt in the area, division and district already. Our leaders are visible across multiple forums. The executive committee is a mix of experienced and new Toastmasters. There is a robust mentoring program. We also have a magazine launched. A family get-together was organized. COVID-19 has not dampened our enthusiasm, and we have taken to Zoom meetings like fish to water. Kharghar Toastmasters is here to stay and conquer heights. We will together indeed.
On this 50th meeting of Kharghar Toastmasters Club, I wish all the best to all the members and the executive committee members. The club has grown from strength to strength. It has got a lot of enthusiastic members who are always ready to help the club to grow further. We have a dynamic leadership in the form of executive committee members, and with such kind of enthusiasm and dynamism, the club is bound to grow further. I wish all the best to the club members.
Priyanka here. I really want to congratulate Kharghar Toastmasters for achieving its 50th milestone. I still remember the time we were all together trying to build up a team and come up with a meeting place or a meeting spot to have our Kharghar Toastmasters initiated. So the first thing that comes to my head is this meeting. So I'm really happy that you all, actually I'm not there, so you all could do this and reach a 50th meeting goal. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, my dear fellow Toastmasters from the Kharghar Toastmasters Club on achieving this very important milestone of the 50th meeting of the club. It just feels like yesterday, isn't it? When 20 ardent Toastmasters met together for a cup of tea and a few momos at Utsav Chowk and laid the foundation of this Kharghar Toastmasters Club. In a very short time, we have grown leaps and bounds, and we have made our mark at the district level. But the journey has just begun. I'm sure that under the able guidance and the mentorship of senior Toastmasters, the club will continue to grow and achieve greater heights of success. Participating in the meetings is the fundamental activity for the club to be successful. I look forward for your presence in this 50th meeting and all future meetings of the Kharghar Toastmasters Club. Come, learn and grow together, and let's make this club a very successful club in the district. Congratulations once again.
After leaving my job as a science teacher, I got totally engrossed in household activities. But somewhere at the back of my mind, it always knocked that I should regain my communication skill and enhance my intellectual development. Incidentally, I came across Kharghar Toastmasters Club. It shows me the guiding light to fulfill my objectives. 22 months have been passed since I have joined the Kharghar Toastmasters Club. Thanks to the club, because it brought a drastic positive change in my personality. Now the club is going to conduct its 50th meeting. Congratulations to all the ESCOM and the members for achieving this milestone. Thanks.
Hello, members of Kharghar Toastmasters Club. It feels yesterday when we met at Utsav Chowk to explore the possibility of chartering a community club in Kharghar. And see, here we are, celebrating our 50th meeting. Congratulations on achieving this milestone. It feels great to see people working on improving their communication and leadership skills in such a positive environment. I wish all of you all the best in all your future endeavors.
Hi everyone, wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year coming. I know 2020 has been a year to remember for everybody, but for Kharghar Toastmasters Club, it has been different. The club has grown, from the last 2 years it has just grown exponentially. Last year we were in the Diamond Clubs Award. This year also we are on track. All the members are doing great. As a VP Education, I must say that I am very proud to be serving the club as a VP Education now, and I wish we have many anniversaries like this coming up. Keep growing, keep learning, and help us each other grow as we are doing it right now. The world is better obviously when we meet. I'm sure that in the next 6 months we would definitely meet and we would congratulate each other during that time. Nevertheless, enjoy the meeting. Happy 50th anniversary for Kharghar Toastmasters Club. Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Happy Diwali to all of you. I'm here to celebrate our milestone meeting, 50th meeting at Kharghar Toastmasters Club. I'm Rajendra and I'm part of a family, a big family in Kharghar Toastmasters Club. So let's have a fun-filled meeting, not just this 50th, even beyond 50th. And in our journey in Toastmasters, and let's achieve more milestones in our growth and in our pathways this year and beyond. I wish each one of you a success in your learning, communication and leadership skills, public speaking skills, and let's have a meeting not just virtual and in person very soon. Looking forward to it. Bye bye.
Kharghar Toastmasters 50th meeting. It may sound very cliched, but I'll still say it feels as if ye kal ki to baat thi when we were all working towards the chartering of this club. The will and grit of all the members has made the club very successful in such a short time. Every meeting continues to be fun-filled, learning sessions are great, and the camaraderie within us members makes it feel always at home. I personally feel so lucky to be part of this club that continues to provide such a positive environment for all of us to grow. And at the same time committed to the Toastmasters ethos, irrespective of the challenges that the world may throw around us. I am proud charter member of this club, and I wish all of us a continued success. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you.
Heartiest congratulations, Kharghar Toastmasters Club, on reaching the milestone of 50th meeting.
From the pre-charter meeting in 2018 to the 50th meeting, Kharghar Toastmasters has come really a long way.
Despite the COVID pandemic, it's incredible to see the club growing strong.
Though we have shifted our base from Kharghar, but our heart still throbs for the Kharghar Toastmasters Club, being the charter members of the club.
We wish our club many more such milestones in the journey ahead.
Once again, congratulations and all the very best.